Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where design meets nature and every space holds the potential for beauty. Today, we're stepping into the world of luxurious mini gardens, proof that you don't need a massive backyard to create a breathtaking outdoor escape. Even the smallest corner can be transformed into a refined, relaxing sanctuary with the right design approach. A mini garden is not about size, it's about intention. It's about choosing elegant materials, layering greenery thoughtfully, and creating balance between structure and softness. Think clean stone pathways paired with lush plants. Think sculpted hedges framed by warm ambient lighting. Think simplicity elevated with premium details. Luxury in a small garden starts with a strong focal point. It could be a sleek water feature gently flowing against a textured wall. It could be a statement planter in matte black or polished stone, or even a sculptural bonsai placed perfectly within a minimalist layout. When space is limited, every element must feel purposeful. Lighting is where the magic truly happens. Soft LED strip lights under benches, subtle uplighting highlighting leaves and textures, warm lantern glows creating depth and mood at night. The right lighting transforms a compact garden into a five-star retreat after sunset. Texture also plays a major role. Combine smooth marble or porcelain tiles with natural wood decking. Add pebbles beside greenery for contrast. Mix glossy leaves with soft ornamental grasses. This layering creates visual richness without overcrowding the space. Furniture selection should remain refined and minimal. A single elegant lounge chair, a compact modern sofa, perhaps a small fire feature for warmth and ambiance. Luxury mini gardens feel open, never cluttered. Negative space is just as important as greenery. Vertical design is another powerful trick. When you can't expand outward, go upward. Living green walls, climbing plants, or tall statement planters draw the eye higher and make the garden feel expansive. This technique works beautifully for balconies, rooftops, patios, and small courtyards. Water elements instantly elevate any mini garden. A narrow reflecting pool, a slim waterfall wall, even a small stone fountain can introduce calming sound and movement. The combination of greenery and flowing water creates a timeless resort-like feel. Color palettes should remain cohesive. Neutral tones like white, beige, charcoal, and natural wood create a sophisticated base. Layer in deep greens and subtle accent lighting for a polished, high-end finish. And remember, luxury is not about spending the most money. It's about thoughtful design, clean lines, intentional placement, harmony between architecture and nature. At Modern Homes and Gardens, we believe every space deserves transformation, no matter how small. With creativity and attention to detail, even a tiny balcony or compact backyard can become your personal sanctuary. So, whether you're designing a peaceful Zen retreat, a tropical-inspired escape, or a sleek modern courtyard, let your mini garden reflect your style and elevate your everyday living. Transform your space, elevate your vibe. Stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next design journey with Modern Homes and Gardens.